Did you know that we've sent a robot to Mars that's not only exploring the surface but also collecting samples that could one day unlock the secrets of life beyond Earth? Meet Perseverance, NASA's most advanced rover on a mission to answer one of humanity's greatest questions: does life exist, or has it ever existed, on Mars? Welcome to Beyond Tech Tide, where we dive deep into the most exciting breakthroughs in space exploration and technology. In this video, we're going on a thrilling journey to Mars, an exploration like no other. Let's explore the Perseverance rover's mission, and the groundbreaking discoveries it's making. In February 2021, NASA's Perseverance rover made a breathtaking landing on Mars, bringing with it not just the hopes of scientists, but the curiosity of all of humanity. Perseverance is the next step in NASA's search for signs of ancient life on the Red Planet, and it's doing so with a combination of cutting-edge technology and innovative science. But what exactly is Perseverance up to on Mars? Well, let's dive into the heart of its mission. Perseverance's mission isn't just about driving around and taking pictures. It's a part of a larger, ambitious goal: the search for ancient life. The rover is equipped with sophisticated tools to collect samples of Mars' surface, something that's never been done before. These samples, gathered from Mars' ancient rocks and soil, could reveal whether the planet ever supported microbial life. In the process, Perseverance is also laying the groundwork for future missions that will bring these samples back to Earth, where scientists will be able to study them in detail. It's part of NASA's Mars Sample Return program, which will send spacecraft to retrieve these samples and return them to our laboratories, where they could answer fundamental questions about our place in the cosmos. Let's talk about the technology behind Perseverance, because it's nothing short of remarkable. First, there's Mastcam-Z, a pair of high-definition cameras that allow the rover to capture images in stunning detail. These cameras give us a virtual tour of Mars, helping scientists study the geology of the planet, its climate history, and its potential for hosting life. And then, there's SuperCam, a device that can analyze the composition of rocks and soil from afar. Imagine using a laser to vaporize rocks from millions of miles away to see what's inside. This is a tool that allows Perseverance to study the Martian surface without even having to touch it. In addition, Perseverance has the Pixel, planetary instrument for X-ray lithochemistry, which analyzes the chemical makeup of Martian rocks, revealing clues about their origins and how they might have supported microbial life billions of years ago. But Perseverance's discoveries are more than just scientific data, they're history in the making. For example, in its very first year on Mars, Perseverance found signs of ancient river channels, places where liquid water once flowed on the Martian surface. This discovery is crucial, because where there's water, there's potential for life. Perseverance has also been busy testing a new technology called MOXIE, the Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment. MOXIE is turning carbon dioxide from the Martian atmosphere into oxygen, a key resource for future astronauts. If this experiment works, it could revolutionize how we support human missions to Mars. Now, let's talk about the challenges. Mars is no easy place to explore. The planet's thin atmosphere offers little protection from radiation, while dust storms, freezing temperatures, and high winds make it a tough environment for any machine. Despite these harsh conditions, Perseverance has not only survived but thrived. However, the real challenge is the complexity of collecting samples. Imagine trying to scoop soil from a distant world while navigating a terrain full of rocks, craters, and steep slopes. It's no small feat. The rover must carefully store each sample in a small metal tube, all while operating autonomously from millions of miles away. A single mistake could jeopardize the mission. Yet, Perseverance has been performing flawlessly, with a precision and intelligence that pushes the boundaries of robotic exploration. In 2022, Perseverance achieved a milestone no other rover had reached. It successfully collected its first samples from Mars. These samples are a key part of the Mars Sample Return mission, which is planned for the coming years. Think about that for a moment. Samples of Mars will soon be on their way to Earth, and those samples may hold the answers to questions we've had for centuries. The moment Perseverance placed that first sample tube on the Martian surface, it was not just a victory for NASA, it was a victory for humanity. We are closer than ever to understanding if life ever existed beyond Earth. As we wait for these samples to return to Earth, we reflect on just how far we've come. From the early days of robotic exploration with the Mariner missions, to the Mars Global Surveyor, to Perseverance, each mission has brought us closer to answering the most profound questions about life in the universe. But the work isn't over. Perseverance is just the beginning. The knowledge we gain from its samples will guide future missions and, one day, the human exploration of Mars. NASA's vision for Mars exploration is clear: to send humans to Mars, and ultimately, to establish a sustainable presence on the Red Planet. The exploration of Mars is not just about collecting rocks, it's about understanding the story of our solar system, our planet, and our potential future as a spacefaring species. Every discovery made by Perseverance brings us one step closer to understanding how life could survive on Mars, and whether humanity can one day thrive on the Red Planet. What do you think? Could Mars have once supported life? What discoveries do you think Perseverance will make next? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Beyond Tech Tide for more amazing insights into space exploration. Together, let's keep exploring beyond the stars.